Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's MATIC video update. And guys, join up the Discord because in here we really like to talk about various different coins. Okay, we have a MATIC section channel as well where people actually share about their own different opinion and conversation about MATIC. And yeah, interesting community out there. Join. The link is in the description of this video. Just click there and you're in and you're going to slide in. Now zooming out of MATIC today, I just want to talk about the bird's view as well. And to me, MATIC is still in a position where it hasn't topped out just yet. And I'm going to request you go to the channel, watch the Bitcoin update as well, and then you're going to think because today I shared about my thoughts of when Bitcoin is actually going to go to the top and it's going to reach the top. And to know that, just go to today's update as well and watch that update every single day if you're trading MATIC as well. Based on the bird's view here, okay, this is you as a bird. We used to have something known as accumulation phase for a very long time, and then you broke to the upside, and then you continue. You absolutely just went to the upside, okay? And MATIC, to be honest with you, is just a very damn good project. It's a very damn good project. And to me, 2.4 is still actually very cheap. Now, previously, I talked about MATIC going all the way down to nearly $2.3, and that has happened. Okay, that has really played out. And can we go back to 1.9 potentially? It could even go to 1.9. The reason why is because you might have broken out of this head and shoulders that I was talking about some few days ago. So here we are. Is this your head and shoulder that you've broken out? Yes, it is a head and shoulders that you have broken out of, and it seems like you are also failing the retest. Okay, so we do know what a head and shoulders is all about, and I've been warning for some few time that the head and shoulder can actually play out. So basically, if the only way to invalidate the head and shoulders is when you climb back to 2.579 and then you start to like hold that level and then continue to $3.1 as well. So at the moment on the short term frame, this is an expected retracement and that will be healthy because there's a slingshot effect of these coins. Do you know a slingshot? I'm going to actually draw a slingshot right here, something like this, and then you have the Y just like that, and that's just how the slingshot looks like. Okay, and then you have like a rubber tied to that, and then you put in a stone right here, right? And then the farther you pull the rubber, the farther it's gonna move. Okay, the more you just push to the backside, the more you're gonna jump to the front, right? So what basically this means that the down you correct, the downward you fall, the down you go, the higher you're gonna go basically. So this is not bad. This is not bad. And breaking out of a head and shoulders like this basically, and you go all the way down to the 1.9 is not bad either, because if I zoom out of everything, you do have a continuation pattern. By the way, the good news is you broke out of an ascending triangle. Okay, this is a continuation pattern. You went up like this, broke out the ascending triangle, and it's normal. You're just going back to backtest the triangle, and that to me is something positive, because if you just keep moving up like this, okay, that doesn't have any meaning based on the markets, okay, and based on how the coin works, the health of the coin is working. Is this good for your investments? It's not good. I know, buying at 2.4 and then going to 1.9, what am I talking about? Well, based on your profit and gains and losses, I'm not even talking about that. What I'm talking about is an impulsive move, then a correction, an impulsive move, then a correction, another impulsive move, then a correction. You had an impulsive move right here, then you're going to have another correction, and then you're going to have that impulsive move to 3.1 and another correction, then an impulsive move to $4, back to 3, back to go to 5, back to 4, and then finally reach 6, because you are always going to move in a wavy form, but the technical journey to go to $6 is there, and it is there. And if you have been following the channel, don't be surprised, guys. We used to take our profits, and I used to update every single day about MATIC, that MATIC is in a technical target to go to the 3.1, but I used to say before that, take out your profit at nearly this blue line, which is 2.8 and the 2.7. And why? Because we used to have an inverse head and shoulder. Left shoulder, your head right here, your right shoulder, we broke out of it, we met the technical target right on the money. Okay, and that from here I'm still looking for 3.1, but is this gonna happen anytime soon? I don't think so, because now you are putting a head and shoulder, which is a bearish pattern. You go down to the 1.9, you start buying at the 1.9. You get a nice good discount if you're looking for an entry and you took out your profits at the 2.8. You buy at the 1.9, you wait for that technical target for the 3, and because you are retracing correction, then an impulsive wave to the upside. Very, very simple. I don't think it's something for you to panic. And as a matter of fact, I'm always going to reassure you and tell you this back to back again and again, that patience pays off. Holding is recommended, and MATIC is also a good project, which I don't think is going to disappoint anytime soon. Now, there's one more level of support that I want to talk about as well. Do you see this head and shoulder that it broke out of? Instead of us to say you're going to even go all the way down to the 1.9, which is my take, that you can go to the $1.9, because that's the technical target of the head and shoulders. But then again, you have a big support in here at the $2.2 as well. So even if you go down like this, you are going to find a support at the 2.2, maybe bounce a little bit to the 2.3, then go down in waveform as well, because whenever you go down in waveform. Whenever you go up in a waveform. So guys, this video single update today has all the things that you can expect from MATIC, and I want to show you the moon, guys. If you don't know, look at how beautiful this moon looks like. Even Picasso, I don't think Picasso is gonna say it's bad, right? I think he's gonna think that that was a nice, beautifully created moon. I'm even thinking one day when you actually go back to the $6, which is my price prediction this year, I'm gonna sell this as an NFT. Take a screenshot and put an NFT out there and earn something out of it, because it's a beautiful, beautiful moon right there. But before reaching to the moon, you are gonna be cut along the way, and I want to tell you a trend line that it is forming for MATIC. Look at this trend line right now. Look at that trend line, guys, at the moment. So even if you don't go to the 1.9, which is still your technical target, it does actually make perfect sense to come a little bit down and retest that trend line as well, and then bounce from there and then continue to the outside. So it's not bad. MATIC on a higher time frame, on the bird's view like this, before you reach that moon right there, if you go to space and the universe, is still in an uptrend and is still positive to continue to the upside. So that's it for today's update. I'm gonna see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.